Work from Home Essentials Tech Take 1.
This video is not sponsored by anyone. All the products that we have mentioned in this video are bought by us using our hard-earned money. Let's do work from home essential video. But today I'm joined by someone who has been working from home even longer than me. And she is no other than my beautiful wife.
What's up internet? I'm Jayanti.
And I'm Manish from RebellionRider.com. Today in this video, we will share our work from home tech with you guys.
So, if you are new to our channel, then please consider subscribing. Also, press the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new content.
That being said, let's start the video. Work from home will be incomplete without mentioning our laptops. Till August 2019, I was using Lenovo T430. But then it gave up on me. Since then, I was borrowing my wife's laptop. But keeping the productivity in mind, I had to buy a new one. Therefore, last month I bought MacBook Pro 16-inch. This is the base model with Intel Core i7, 16GB of RAM and 512GB of SSD. And AMD Radeon Pro 5300M GPU, which is a pretty decent specification. It works fine with me. Although I'm still not comfortable with it and trying to make peace with my decision. I'm thinking about doing a separate video on why I feel MacBook Pro was a mistake. Comment if you would like to watch it.
Anyways, now let's come to my laptop. I'm using HP ProBook. It came with Intel Core i7 processor, 4GB of RAM and 500GB of hard disk. Later on, we decided to upgrade it to 12GB of RAM by adding another extra 8GB and 128GB of SSD. This made it quite fast, at least for my usage. Initially, when we upgraded the RAM, it cost us around 5,800 rupees. However, last I checked, the price had come down significantly to around 3,500 to 3,800 range. In case you want to check it out, I'll be providing all the Amazon links in the description of this video. That being said, let's move on to our next tech.
My next pick would be a keyboard. My work involves significant amount of writing, whether it be a computer program or a blog for my website RebellionRider.com or a script for a video like this one which I upload on my YouTube channel as well as on my Facebook and Instagram. So keeping the health of my hands in mind, I decided to invest in a good mechanical keyboard from HyperX. This is HyperX Alloy mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX red switches. Since the size of my desk is not that big, therefore its 10 keyless compact form factor is a perfect fit. It's made out of aluminium and has backlit keys. There are two things that I don't like about this keyboard. These are, first, it's not wireless. I love my decks to be clean and wire-free, but with this keyboard, it's not possible. Second, it's not RGB. Though the keys are backlit, but it's not RGB. You only have one option, which is red. If your work involves writing like mine and you're looking for a new mechanical keyboard, then I would suggest you to not to go with Cherry MX red switches. Rather, go with Cherry MX brown switches. But if you're looking for a keyboard purely for gaming, then Cherry MX red are the perfect choice for you. That being said, now let's move on to our next pick for work from home essential tech.
Next on our list is a wireless mouse. Personally, I feel that trackpads could be quite tiresome. Therefore, I use Logitech G304. It's compact, it's lightweight, making it easier to carry along. Since it's a gaming mouse, thus it has higher DPIs, making it very responsive and very fast. It has seamless wireless connectivity. However, the only downside that I feel is that it cannot be connected to multiple devices.
Which brings me to my wireless mouse which can connect to 3 devices at a time. And it's the one and only Logitech MX Master 2S. The best thing about this mouse is that it can connect with 3 different devices wirelessly, which means I can use it with my PC, my Mac as well as my desktop. Also, extra buttons makes it more versatile. I have customized these buttons according to the apps that I use. For example, the thumb button of this mouse is set to run the script if I am using VS Code or Spider. If I am using Premiere Pro, then this button is set to save the project. Extra button that I can customize and multiple device connectivity makes my workflow even more productive. Talking about productivity, now let's move on to our next tech. The gadget which I think... wait, I just forgot to turn on the light. Now it's looking better. Let's do it again. The gadget which I think should be a must-have essential for work from home is a good pair of headphones. The one that I'm currently using is Sony 1000XM3. It's hands down the best headphone one can ever own. Its sound quality is top notch and it has a good battery life. But I love them just because of their noise cancellation. Every time I want to zone out to focus on my work, I just put it on with some upbeat music. It also has inbuilt microphone, therefore I can use it to take my calls as well. As I mentioned, it has the best sound quality with extremely clear vocals. Because of that, I also use them to edit the sounds of my videos. Sony just released its updated version, Sony 1000XM4, which I guess is not available in the market right now, but whenever it will be, I'm definitely buying those. But in case you want to buy one, then I will leave the Amazon affiliate link in the description of this video.
I guess the most underrated machine that we often fail to address as our daily essential is a printer. We realized this during this lockdown when we broke ours and we had to buy a new one. Before making the purchase, we were clear about what features we wanted in our new printer. First of all, it had to be a laser printer. They are more cost effective than inkjet. Second, it must have a scanner because we have to scan a lot of things like receipts, bills for tax purposes. And sometimes we have to print the contracts to sign them and send them back to the client. In this case, a printer with a scanner is a huge add-on. Finally, the most important feature that we wanted was that it had to be a network attached printer.
That's right. With our last printout, which was Canon LBP 2900, whoever needed a printout had to connect their machine through it using a USB cable, and that was a hassle. With our new printer, we want it to be shared with all the machines in our network. After searching for few days, we finalized over HP Neverstop MFP 1200W. It has all the features that we wanted. It's a 3-in-1 LaserJet printer, which means along with printing, it can also scan a document and make a copy of a document as well. The best thing is that it has a built-in Wi-Fi and it's a network attached printer. It binds itself with the SSID of our Wi-Fi network. Now, whoever connected with that Wi-Fi network can use it. No more wires and driver installation. This has made our life a lot easier.
You can check out all our work from home essential products, including the ones that we forgot to mention here, in the Amazon affiliate link provided in the description of this video.
Anyways, these are our work from home essential tech that we can't function without. Hope you enjoyed watching. If so, then give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment and let us know would you love to watch more such videos.
Thanks for watching, be safe and take care.